Welcome everyone to this pastel demonstration on painting a lighthouse on Sullivan's Island in South Carolina. Although it was winter in South Carolina, it was still a beautiful day to take a stroll on the beach, and I took this picture of the lighthouse on Sullivan's Island, which I felt was a great landscape picture for a quick pastel painting. I begin my landscape by blocking in colors of the values I see in the photograph, and then gradually blend all these colors together to create an underpainting. I am using Uart sanded paper, a 600 grit paper that is very rough on the fingertips. So I am using a sponge applicator to blend my colors together in my base layer of this painting. Although my photograph has a blue sky, I'm going to add some light clouds just to give the sky a little more texture. Now that the underpainting has been blended, I can go back in and begin adding details and more color to the landscape. So now I'll start defining the tall grasses in the sand and add some highlights in the beach sand to create dark and light values. Now that the landscape is nearly done, I will begin drawing in the outlines of the lighthouse, which is unique with a black and white surface. The lighthouse isn't that old and was built in 1962. The lighthouse is near the Charleston Harbor and is a popular destination for sightseers. I hope you have enjoyed this episode of painting a landscape on the beach of a lighthouse on Sullivan's Island in South Carolina. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to get notifications of all my new demonstrations and lessons in pastel. Thank you for watching.